We continue with data formatting in lesson 3. Data formatting here focuses on how to create a table in Sheets. Sheets has no option or command for explicitly defining a table except for pivot tables. Rather, you create a table by formatting your data to look like a table. This means applying borders to cells, making headers bold, giving a background cell color to the header row, center aligning the header text, among others. These formats applied will make the defined range stand out as a table. Let's see how to format our data to stand out as a table. First, apply borders. Select the range to apply the borders to. On the shortcut toolbar, click on the borders icon and choose the border style that works for you. You can also choose the color to use for the border. Next, bolding the header text. Select the header row and click on the bold icon on the shortcut toolbar, or press Ctrl+B. Center align the header text by selecting the header row and clicking on the center align icon on the shortcut toolbar, or press Ctrl+Shift+E. Now, select your header row once again. Click on the fill color icon. Select the color to apply. Done. Now our table is ready.